Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to convert HTML to PDF via Node.js using the Puppeteer. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the Puppeteer. Okay, so here we go with the terminal. Let's install this. Okay, so this is installed. Now we have to paste this code. Okay, so here we have this code. Okay, generate PDF. Right, let's comment the previous code that we have done with the PDF lib library. So if you haven't watched this, please go and watch this tutorial. Okay, after that I'm going to do with the HTML to PDF. So here you can see that we have generated the HTML. Okay, so here we let me explain the code. So Puppeteer, we have required that one. Initialize, here we have used that Puppeteer. Okay, from this library, here we have a Node.js module. Okay, then generate PDF, we have a function, right? So Puppeteer launch, and then we have the await browser for a new page. Okay, then here we have the HTML content page dot set content. So set content, we have to require the HTML, or you can do the plain text, whatever. Okay, so here we have to go with this one. Okay, so here hello dynamic, this is the dynamically generated, and so you can use that one. After this, await page.pdf, path should be output.pdf, format should be A4, you can mention, and then browser close that one, and PDF generated successfully. Okay, and here we are calling the function, correct? And you can also go to the documentation and see rest of the functionalities over there. Let's have a look of that one. Node, and it should be output dot pdf. So I'm make sure I'm going to change the name of that one. So I'm going to output dot pdf output 2, right? So here we go with this one, node server dot js, and generate it. Let's have a look. So output dot 2, output 2 dot pdf, and hello dynamic pdf. Here you can see that the pdf is generated, and this is dynamically generated by the pdf using Puppeteer. Okay, so this is how you can generate the pdf, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.